Hey guys, I'm playing Home Tycoon. Yeah. If you're wondering, I'm watching America's Got Talent. So beginner wall is 100. So I'll be back when I get my inner walls in the ceiling. Cause I'm back. I got the inner walls and the roof, which is right there. So yeah.
I might do it next.
Yeah, if you're wondering, Otter Lover is with me by room walls.
I'm not playing though. Again.
No. She's just next to me. Hi, weirdo. It's okay. No one's a weirdo. Except for me, I'm a weirdo.
Yeah.
Sometimes. I bought the roof. Now I need to buy a floor.
How? Why?
No thank you. Maybe later I'll look into it. So I'll be right back when I get that floor. Okay, so I'm about to buy, I'm just gonna get that thing to. So yeah, I need to buy entrance, a hedge, and windows. I'm gonna try to save up for the hedge, so I'll be right back when I get the hedge. Okay, so I'm about to buy the hedge, so yeah. I just bought the hedge.
Oh, that looks cool. I like that.
Yeah.
I was not expecting it to look.
My money, I'm gonna get the windows. Just got windows?
I need it.
No, I'll be right back when I buy an entrance. Okay, so I'm about to buy an entrance, so yeah. Ooh, that's actually cool. I like that.
Oh, I love it.
Now, I don't know what to buy next.
No, don't go into the house, dude.
Now I'm gonna buy the
I
lamps.
think that dude went into your house.
I hope he's over there. Thank God.
He was about to.
I'm gonna buy the lamps, the main door, and then the path. Oh, I just got enough for the lamps.
Where?
So the lamps?
Oh, the lamps are right there.
Wait, there's stuff inside? I'm gonna get that after I get everything outside.
You should get that.
I need the path, though. That's one thing for sure. So I'm probably gonna get the path first. So that actually makes more sense. Kind of. Okay, yes, that was making more sense for like if I had a car. Buy garage. Oh, buy the garage. Why is there a garage and there's windows like that? How does this
Why buy garage? And then
buy garage. What? That's just weird. Okay, I'll be back when I bought the. I'm about to buy this. So I'll be back when I get 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. So yeah, I'll be back. I forgot to unpause, but I got a main door and the garage. That's what it looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna get my money and we're gonna look at what we can buy. So yeah, let's look. Well, I'm gonna buy the bedroom. Oh, this bedroom is kind of tiny. Oh, that's what my kid looks like.
Okay.
I don't really like the hair, but yeah. Can I buy anything else with $126? Probably not.
Another bedroom.
800. And this is the master bathroom. Ooh. I'm gonna need to be out here. So first I'm gonna get like the front of this house done, like that stuff. All that stuff, like the stuff at the beginning. So by the hall. Oh, nice! I'm just like, oh, nice! My voice though, I just adore it. I'm gonna buy a bedroom with 800 monies. Oh, get out of my house!
This dude. I told you he was going to walk.
So yeah, I'll be back when I bought like all. I don't know. I'll be back when I want to. So I just bought this, and this is a bedroom. Oh my god, I love it. And also, I forgot to, but I bought this. Or wait, no, I bought that room earlier. Ugh, in my bathroom. I brought the bathroom, and that's what the bathroom looks like. I'll be back when I've got like the, I don't know, the whole bedroom. Okay, so I like just finished the bedroom. Oh, I didn't know you could sit on here. But yeah, this is what the bathroom looks like in here.
Not as nice.
And then this is what yeah, I agree. And then this is my closet. It's kind of full of like, it looks like rags. Those things look like rags, not clothes. Yeah, I'm here. I actually like just completed this thing. Sorry, like, it took forever for me because like I did the whole thing. This is my house door, so bathroom right here.
Yep, I joined in finally.
And living room, kitchen, other living room thing. This is my gaming room. Ugh. Okay, and then my back. Okay, I have a table.
Don't go in the house.
I have a pool, and then I have $100,000.
Get out of the house. Out of the house.
And then I have a bedroom, a bathroom.
A stranger's in your house. No, Aaron's in your house now.
Oh, okay. Here, Aaron's one of my friends, BTW. And, bathroom, which is, I love it. And then another room. So, yeah. I love my house. And also, I'm going to be joining another server because, I mean, there's nothing to do. So, I have a pond and a tree. And my garage has all of the passes. It's amazing. I'm going to be leaving this game, so buy this game.
What is this dude doing?
I'll be playing with you guys. Well, we're going to be doing another service. Y'all, so right now I'm in Demoville. Dun dun dun. I don't know how you can play this game. I'm just playing it because I don't know what else to play, honestly.
Okay, I'm joining him.
Game cache. Oh, I'm calling for you, falling. Hi, Aaron. So this is one of my friends. Oh my God, let me please go.
I couldn't get him.
No, what? That is stupid. Jake, try again. There's only 4 people.
Yeah, maybe that's it. You can have.
Check.
Lauren.
Haha, I'm evil. Please me,
You're not
love
even-
me,
Like, we're gonna eat tomorrow?
yeah. I'm looking for you, babe. Sorry to miss me. You have to contract. Ow. Are you harder than me?
See.
Yeah, that's all I'm for. Yeah, I'm leaving this game and joining another. Hello, guys. We're playing Scary Stories. Anyway, I was singing a song.
I am just joining him.
This is me. Look out, 'cause here you come.
Did you go to the normal stories?
Chill out, Steve. You're being a coward. Guys, you shouldn't do this.
What are you doing, Valentine's Flies?
No, I'm doing the Charlie, are you there? Is there something out there? This is boring. Dude, I swear I saw something. Dude. No, I'm playing a game. Dude, shut up. Don't be a coward. What on earth was that? Oh no. Put him out. Oh my. Oh my God. Oh, he did it. Oh, there's the ghost. And, he's dead. Oh, okay.
He is so dead.
Oh my God, okay.
Oh, let's do the.
Normal.
I want really scary ones though.
There aren't any. Guys, don't do that. Uh-oh. You guys want anything to drink? I'll have a club soda. I turned into poison. We should run. Nah, they're just messing around. What happened? The gas leaked out and you were lucky to survive. 1 hour later. Dun 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 dun. It just can't be in my head. It can't just be in my head. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go to Scary Stories. Where are those?
I don't know.
Campaigns, probably.
Oh, no.
Yeah, there it is.
I'm a first person, just saying.
Are you fast enough? I'm doing the Are You Fast Enough one. Trust me, dude, some Sonic will take your mind of it. I can't believe I survived. I already kept through him and they were like, I can't believe I saw him die. I just blabbered because I felt like it.
Oh, Aaron sent me.
I don't think so. Is that supposed to happen?
Aaron sent me.
Dude, chill for once. I'm not moving. We need to go now. Whatever, it's your loss. I'm going. See? He almost died. I'm getting 25 block speed. So yeah, I'm doing the... No one likes this. What's on your mind? Strange keeps having me. It's all my fault. They're dead. Just hold up. I'll be back. I've lost 2 friends because of this. Yes, 911. There's a crazy murderer kid in here, and he's gone crazy.
I'm doing flashback.
Yes, and I.
More, I'm gonna do flashback.
He turns around, and there's the ghost. And oh, he kills him. And that's just
I'm sorry, but that's kind of nasty. I know.
Why are we even? I'm sorry about that.
Don't forget to brush your teeth, Lolo.
I won't. Christmas carols, I don't feel like that. Flashback. Oh, okay. This is where you are. The future, lol. Where is he?
I can barely move.
Oh, we need to go now. Get out now.
I'll just
Crap, locked.
I'll just look on your screen because
I can save your some, but all at the same price. Cough, yes, anything. Make it done. No. I don't know. I just feel. You okay, dude? Different. Oh, 606. So the carrot on him probably. Okay, I'm gonna go on the normal.
I'm not moving around because I don't want to.
In the sewers. Oh my god, I have to do this one. Don't look at my computer. Oh, are you playing? You know what you'll do? What happened here in the sewers?
Out.
Lies. You'll float too. You'll float too. It's not real, is it? Dude. Dude. It's not right. That's right. You run. You'll float too. You'll float too. No. There's Pennywise. That looks nothing like him, but okay. No, what's wrong, dude? I just want to play. Oh my god, he's coming.
Like
May the 9th.
I like that.
I know, right? It was the X Nation story, because he passed away. Did you guys know? So, oh, what is this? This is just weird. I feel like something's gonna pop up or something.
I know, right?
I'll be back when I make it to the end. I walked through Bloody Mary, so yeah. What should we do, guys? Okay, then just do it then. You should go check. It was probably just pranking us. Huh? What in the? She's coming. Crap. Stacy, is this some sort of prank? The doll right there. Don't worry, Sam. I don't care. We're ending this today. The boy can save them all.
Are you gonna bring that to me shortly?
Yep. Oh no. Okay, anyway. Then now we're just gonna randomly try to walk through another story. Okay. We're gonna do You Didn't Listen one. So, guys, I saw something. What is it? Yeah, spit it out. What is it? Come on, guys, you can't believe this. No, I told you nothing meant it's empty. Dude, behind you! Help! And then it's done. See ya. Bye, guys. Hope you guys liked this video. Bye. when it will end. Bye.